It's a new month, which means it's time for another Plan With Me video. In this video, I take you behind the scenes and share exactly what I'm working on in my business and encourage you to plan your month with me as well. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise. Here on this channel, I share all my best tips, tricks, and tutorials on building a successful online business. So if that is something you would like to do, definitely hit subscribe down below. All right, so let's get into the planning. Grab your notebook and let's get into it. So the first step is to actually reflect on the month that just passed. So how was April for you? If you are using a project management tool like Asana, open up your Asana and scroll through all of your tasks for the past month and just have a look at everything that you accomplished. Guaranteed, it's way more than you think. If you're not using Asana, then just scroll through whatever planner that you're using to keep on top of everything in your life and just see everything that you did accomplish. So do a bit of reflection and think about what went well for you last month and also what didn't go so well. For me, April was difficult. It is not my favorite month in business of all time. It was really challenging. So we were trying to get a particular strategy to work with Facebook ads and a workshop. And no matter what we tried, we just couldn't get it to work how we wanted. So that was really discouraging and it created a lot of extra work that I wasn't expecting. So I'm not gonna lie, it was discouraging, and generally I'm pretty good at staying upbeat and still just moving forward. And it actually started to impact my mindset and how I felt about our ability to hit our goals moving forward. But since then, I've reset and reminded myself that there are so many possibilities to how we can hit our goals. So if you find that a strategy doesn't work or you have to tweak things more than you were expecting, you're just getting closer every single time that you do that. And if you need to change something, there are so many possibilities out there. There are so many different ways that you can go about hitting your goals. So don't let it get you down too much at all. Okay, so things that we've done that I'm really proud of. We've completed the course update of my signature program, Uplevel with Asana. We created and launched a brand new support area, which is going to improve the customer experience and make the support so much better. And we designed a brand new challenge. I'm so excited about this. It took us a while to come up with the perfect topic, but we totally landed on it. It's called Business Glow Up, and it's going to help you get organized, create money-making systems, and hit your next revenue goal faster. So this is something that I'm actually going to be hosting next week starting on May 9th. I'm so excited. I would love for you to come join us. Click the link in the description down below and you can sign up. So it's a totally free challenge. I show up every single day for a quick 30-minute lesson, and then I challenge you to take a particular action step to help move you forward towards your goals. It's going to be super fun. I think you'll love it. So definitely sign up below. So that was the recap phase. Now let's go into planning. So I'm going to open up my favorite project management system ever, which is called Asana. All right, so this is my big goals board in Asana. This is where I put all of my goals for the year, and it really keeps me nice and organized. Okay, let's go through the list. So the first one is my list growth system, and I've just realized that this is something that we are always going to be optimizing and focusing on. So I think we can just expect this to be on all of the project lists. It's that important for building your business. And when I say list specifically, I mean your email list. Next, we have the launch, which the launch here is going to be the challenge that I mentioned. So as you can see, we were intending to do this in April, but it got pushed back because we were doing all of the course updates and the systems updates, and that took a bit longer than I thought it would. So now we are going to be doing that in May. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to edit this. This is going to be top priority for this month. Okay, and the list growth, I'm actually pausing on that for a little just to put our whole focus into the challenge. And then you can see our other Q2 projects are all actually around visibility. So important that we are getting out there. We are getting our businesses out to the world and in front of new people. So my ways that I'm doing that are ways that I feel are like the most efficient things that you can do. So we have set up partner webinar system and set up our link building strategy that we've come up with. If you would like a deep dive on these topics, that's something that we do inside Uplevel with Asana. So come and join us there. We do strategy hours every single month where I go more in depth on these topics and just give you my whole systems. And then we have Facebook ads for the challenge. I am going to work on this month, but I'm actually going to work on it at the end of the month and just create all the ads for the next time that we run the challenge. Okay, so those are my top 2 priorities for this month. So I'm really proud of this list. I love the fact that it's all really impactful things that are going to move the needle in the business. And I'm also really proud that we've managed to get a lot of things off of my plate. So there's a few things that have helped me with this. First, designating particular days of the week for certain types of work. So for example, every single Monday is my meetings day, and I just put all of my meetings there. So then for the rest of the week, I can get into deep work, I can get into flow, and I can actually get these things done. And second, we narrowed my business model. So now we just have one offer, my online course. And rather than having lots of calls that you may have with one-on-one coaching or a group program, I actually just have 2 client calls that I need to show up for every single month. So that's cleared a lot of space in my calendar as well. And because it's manageable, I love those calls. They are so fun. Our entire Uplevel with Asana community comes together and we rotate between doing monthly planning sessions and then monthly deep dive strategy hours. They are awesome. And finally, choosing high impact activities. So look at your list. So write down all of your projects that you're going to focus on for the quarter and for May as well. But look at your list and make sure that high impact activities are the things that make the cut. It's so easy to just fill our to-do list with like all the things, but think about what's really going to help you achieve your final goal. So after I've determined my focus under my big goals board, then I'm actually going to create a project specific for each to do. So for example, this one here has become the new Uplevel challenge. So if we click on that, you'll see that it has all the to-dos for running a challenge. So right now, this might look overwhelming, but it's actually so helpful. There's obviously a lot of moving pieces when it comes to hosting a challenge. And rather than me having to remember all of the to-dos and write this to-do list again from scratch, I have a template that I created that I can use as a base and that I can just come in here and customize. That's actually something that we give to you inside Uplevel with Asana. So we've created all these different templates for all these different launches and marketing promotions, and you get them inside Uplevel with Asana and you can just import them into your account. It's so cool. It saves you so much time. Okay, so as you can see, we're starting to build this out. We're literally just getting started. So I need to come in here and set dates. I need to set the dates. I need to break it all down and determine when we're going to get everything done. So that's what I will be doing today. So I'll just come in here and assign it to the right team member and assign when it needs to be done by. So yeah, this really makes running a challenge so much easier and ensures that you don't miss anything. So for your business, think about how you can simplify. Think about how you can just use systems that you have previously developed and really like rinse and repeat in your business. That's something that we do really well and it saves us a lot of time. I'm actually going to update our goals for this challenge. So for this one, I am following the good, better, best formula. Good is if we get 1,000 people signed up, better is 1,500, and best is 2,000. So I would love for you to come and join us and also share it with your friends if you think that they would enjoy this challenge topic. It's going to be super actionable and really valuable as well. And next month, I'll let you know how we did on these numbers. So hit subscribe if you haven't yet. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you are feeling energized and excited about the month ahead. I am sending you all the best vibes, and I hope to see you next week for the free challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.